Awesome. So we had news this morning. Today is Thursday, June 6th. We had unemployment claims. Every Thursday, we have unemployment claims. Every Thursday, we have this news event happening. Unemployment claims. What is unemployment claims? Unemployment claims is the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. That's what it is. Okay. That's what it measures. Now, the numbers came out to 219,000 people that filed for unemployment claims, right? So it increased by 3,000. So that affected the dollar. It's a leading indicator of economic health. The number of unemployed people is an important signal of overall economic health because consumer spending is highly correlated with labor market conditions. Unemployment is also a major consideration for those steering the country's monetary policy. Okay, let's look at the dollar. See, right now gold is dropping. Let's look at the dollar. Let's see what the dollar did. You see, boom, it shot up. Right, it gave me this candle right here. You see how it moves? Boom, right there. Give me that wick. Give me that doji candle, and it went up. Look at the 1 hour. So the dollar right now is consolidating a little bit. See how it dropped? It's consolidated. It's consolidating. So I'm looking for that break of structure, to the upside or to the downside. Okay. So when the dollar drops, or the dollar ends up dropping, then gold is going to shoot up. If we see the dollar trending to the upside, then we see gold dropping. Okay, it does the opposite. So right now, dollar's pushing up in price. And gold is doing the opposite. But right now, gold is experiencing a pullback. I do see a pullback right now on gold. It broke structure. Yesterday, we caught this move right here, this buy, 150 pips. And it broke above structure, broke above 2350, right? Liquidated these, these sellers here. They got liquidated, right? You have a bunch of sheeps here. That's why I do this sheep right here, because these are all the retail traders, 95% of people that took these sell orders, set up these stop losses, right? So you want to observe the masses and do the opposite. Observe the masses, do the opposite, right? Don't become liquidity. Do not become liquidity. Do not become a sheep, right? We're not sheeps. We're bigger than that. Okay. You know that saying, we're the black sheep of the family? That's what we are, we're the unique ones. We're different. So we're not an average sheep, right? So don't be a sheep. Drop in the chat box, don't be a sheep. Do not be a sheep. Do not become liquidity. Okay? Do not follow the masses. That's what it means. Do not follow the masses. So do not follow the sheep. Don't be a sheep. All right. Don't be one of those sheep that bad all the time. It's like bad. Right? Don't be a sheep. So do the opposite of what the masses are doing. So you see the masses selling here, right? Eventually price is going to shoot up and liquidate and take away all these sheeps. All right? So don't be a sheep. We got a good shepherd. Amen. So price shot up. liquidated. It was a liquidity sweep, and then it hit 2375, created a higher high and a higher low, higher high. Now it's experiencing a pullback, right? It's experiencing a pullback. It may come down to retest around 2350. We also have money here. Yeah, let's snipe them. Yeah, we also see money here, right? We see some money here. So price could come down, liquidate, and then reverse. I'm bullish on gold. You want to go with the trend? I'm still bullish on gold because we've seen a break of structure to the upside. So whenever you see a break of structure to the upside and it's creating higher highs and higher lows, then it's buy mode. So I wrote I texted here buy mode. Buy mode. So we're in a buy zone. So I'm only looking for buys, right? And I'm looking at the 1 hour right now. Okay. And then I marked on my key levels. These are my key levels. This is my zone right here. Why 2350? Why this area? Right now it's retesting 2355. But look, we had resistance. We had resistance, broke above, created support, right? Resistance becomes a support, you're looking for buys. It's on the uptrend. Look at silver. What is silver doing? Yeah, I'm aware of that. They move similar. I'm aware of that. But I haven't traded silver. I don't trade silver personally. I'm focusing on one thing. Gold. I'm married to gold, so we have, I'm not gonna be cheating on gold. We locked in. She's my wifey, so I can't be cheating on her. You know, So, I'm yeah, I'm committed. I'm committed to gold. We have a special relationship going on, so I'm faithful, very faithful. I can't be doing gold like that. She's been treating me right. So, but yeah, so I see um, a break and retest here. Yeah, Sam, are you still holding gold from yesterday? Curious. Sheesh. Drop some fire emoji in the chat for my brother Sam. It's a complete savage. Yo, you still trading? You still holding on gold? Damn, bro, you must be up. But yeah, I see a pullback happening. Wait for New York Open. We have New York Open in less than 7 minutes. Okay. So we're gonna experience a big push. Okay. So I like to trade after news. Okay, we had news this morning at 5:30. My time, Arizona time. You see what price did? It dropped. You see, it gave me a drop. And it was similar to what happened last week. You know, we ex it was consolidating and then liquidation, it dropped and then it pushed up, right? So we're probably gonna see the same thing, right? This was the news right here, this news candle. This was a news candle. Okay, price was consolidating. London session was consolidating. Okay. Every time before news, price tends to consolidate. And then when news hit, it shot up, took out this liquidity, the sellers right here, and then it pushed price down, liquidated these buyers, and now we're probably going to experience right now it's pulling back. We're probably going to experience a big push to the upside. So I'm waiting. for New York Open to hit, and then just go based on market structure. I'm looking for the next break of structure, whether to back to this zone here, give me a confirmation candle respects it, or break above this structure, and then boom. Okay. You see here, the reason why I also pulled back, because we also had an imbalance candle here. This is an imbalance. What is an imbalance? Imbalances are just gap in the markets where, you know, whether they place, you know, a bunch of orders, whether it's buy or sells, you know, in this case, they place a buy order, push price up, and never came back down to retest or even fill the gap. Now, with London session, it started to pull back. Okay. Oops. So we had this imbalance, and then price came down to fill the gap. We have less than 4 minutes for the next for New York Open. So I'm gonna wait and stay patient. Let's see here. This is all money as well. This is all liquidity. All this is money from all these sellers that came in, right? So it could come up and liquidate. So where is the money? You gotta look for the money. So let me see, where is it? Boom. It's not cheap. There's there goes the cheaps, right? Oh, that's big. Sorry about that. Boom. All the masses start selling. You can see price pushing up. Let's wait for the next break of structure. Let's see here. So 2360. Let's look left. Okay, yeah, it's coming down. Look at the 1 hour. Took out this liquidity here, took out this lower high, this lower high, and touched here. Wow, look at that. There was a resistance here. Well, I'm sorry, support here. See some price action here. And look what prices it shot up. And it retested here. Okay. We have some price action here. Broke below. And it came up. And it touched the same area here. That's a key level. Now we see a lot of price action here around this area. We have less than a minute. The next candle. Okay. I'm seeing the next break of structure happening here. Now let's wait. Got the 5 minute. Price is breaking above 2360. Just be patient. It's New York Open. Price broke above 2360. It's pushing price up. I like to look at those three. Those are three confirmation candles. Twenty-three, 2360, 2355. Stop loss. Whenever I see these three confirmation candles, these are the three white soldiers. That's the name of it. It's like a bullish engulfing. What's the name of that? The three white soldiers. That's the name of it. The three white soldiers. Whenever you see like three bullish candles in a row, that's a confirmation pattern, right? That price is going to shoot up. Now let's wait for the break and retest. We got the break above 2360. I wanted to retest one more time before the move up. I want to see it touch again before the move up. It's coming to liquidate all these cheaps here, right? TP 2365, TP1, TP2 2370, or TP3 2375. 1, 2, 3. You guys want to hold it. Look at the 15-minute. Yeah, came back down. Yeah, it came back down to liquidate here as well. So we had money here. It came down to liquidate, and now it's pushing up to liquidate London session. I knew this was going to happen. I called this out last night at the workshop event that we had here. I called this out last night. Like I told you guys, I was going to push up. I was going to drop and then push up. And I know my brother CJ's on a call. Um, as a witness. I told you guys that I was going to drop and then shoot up. That's exactly what it's doing. So you guys, if you guys miss this entry, no worries, just wait for you to come back down and then shoot up, or wait for the next break of structure and then boom. So gold is pushing up. It may pull back a little bit. You guys can catch a re-entry there. Sheesh, who got in? Let me know if you guys got in. But yo, like right now it's pushing. It's pushing. Right now it's liquidating all these sellers here. You guys can wait for that pullback, or you guys can take it on the next candle. Let's see. It broke above 2365. So it could continue to the upside. Let's see. See a touch there. See a bearish candle forming. So it may pull back. It's a retest. Right now it's retesting 2365. Get in, guys. Oh, actually, hold on. Yeah, right now just retesting. All right. Yeah, that's a good sign. That's a retest right there, guys. Get in. 2365. 2370 TP1, TP2, 2375. And then let me see. 2380 could be potentially TP3 for those that enter at 2365. That's the 15-minute. I could see. It may pull back. Yeah. It may pull back to 2360. But right now it's like retesting that 2365 zone. Yeah, just wait, guys. Cancel the trade and then wait for that pullback to 2360. So I knew it was going to pull back. Wait for that pullback. Because right now it's like it's pulling back to you guys can catch a re-entry at 2360. Let's wait for the 45-minute mark. We have less than 6 minutes on this candle.
Position. We only had two since we started. We lived the trade another day. I'll let the
Enter, guys. Enter for the buy. I like how it touched there. That's a good sign. That wick, high wick, it retested 2360. Let's see here. 2360. Who got in at this wick here? Who got in? You see how it retested? Let me know if you got in. Let me know, let me know. Manage your trades. Yep. Make sure you have a stop loss set up. TP1, 2365, TP2, 2370, TP3, 2375. See here. Hit. 275. TP1 just hit 2365, TP1, TP2, 2370, TP3, 2375. That was a sniper entry right there. Look at that. Boom, right here. Could have entered. So whenever you see something like this, right, it's pushing price up because of these wicks. You see, long wick, push price up. TP1 hit. Move your stop loss to break even. Move your stop loss to entry. Now it's a risk-free trade. We have less than what we have like about 2 minutes, 2 minutes and a half for the next 15-minute candle. If the next 15-minute candle opens up bullish, then that's a good sign. That's even a better sign. If it opens up bullish, right? It's a continuation to the upside. For those that miss it, you're not missing out. Okay. Wait for the next wait for the 45-minute mark. We have a minute. For the next candle. If it opens up bullish, you guys can take that entry. It broke above 2365 again. Make sure you're managing your trade and you're moving your stop loss to break even. TP1 just hit. Those pennies come in handy for sure. So we have less than a minute for the next candle. It's looking like it's, retesting right now, the zone here. We want to see 2366, 2364. It's retesting that zone there. So this could be a re-entry for those that missed the first entry, 2360. Wait for the next candle to open up. Opens up bullish. Wait, wait. Okay, enter. Enter the trade. 23, 2365 for those that want to take the re-entry there. 2370 could be your TP. 2375 can be TP2. I do want to see if, let me see the 15-minute. Yeah. Who's in profits right now from this entry at 2360? Yeah. Go ahead and yeah, it's looking like it wants to pull back down to this 2360 area. But it's still within my zone here. Yeah, I would actually wait. For those that entered at 2365, make sure you have a stop loss at 2360 because that has to be 50 pips. It's still within my zone though. Well, you can also trail a stop loss. You have Osprey FX, which is pretty dope. Look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is still bullish. Candle. Still within my zone. Don't be afraid of pullbacks. Don't be afraid that, you're in drawdown. For those that entered at 2265, it's still within the zone. So we could see, right now it's just dancing. Yeah, for those that entered at 2265, go ahead and cancel it. Um, it could touch down to 2360 again. But for those that entered at 2360, CP1 hit. Just make sure that your stop loss at break even or take some partials. Partial close. Yeah, it's coming down. We could see something like this. Another reentry there at 2360. Or we could see something like this. But it breaks below 2360 and closes below 2360. So the next area of interest is 2355 or 2350. Yeah, this is coming down. We also have the new hour in less than 10 minutes, so we can see price pushing down. Yeah, so I already liquidated these sellers here. Um, yeah, it's pushing down. For those that enter at 2365, just go ahead and cancel the trade. It's okay if you lose some profits, that's part of the game. And we could have waited just a little bit more. Um, but yeah, that 2360 entry, that was a sniper move. And you're in profits because it hit TP1. So let's see here. So we have the hour coming up in 8 minutes. You guys can wait for the new hour to hit before you place a trade. If it opens up at 15-minute, opens up bullish, and that's just a break and retest right there. Came down to 2360 area. Look at the time, guys. It may continue pushing down. It could push down to 2355 before the move up, or it could push down to 2350 for the move up. So just be patient before you take another entry or another trade. I would just wait for the new hour, because time does affect as well. You gotta make sure that time is one of our confirmation checklists, right? It's part of our confirmation checklist. For those that don't know, here it is. Okay, market direction obviously is an uptrend, so we're looking for buys. We have our support resistance zones at the 1 hour. We have an internal zone, liquidity, right? Cheap is liquidity. Break construction retest. We're waiting for that retest. And also for that confirmation candle and the time, we're waiting for that new hour. Okay. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that new hour. It touched 2360 there. The next candle opens up bullish. That's a confirmation candle. But wait for the hour though. Wait for let's look at the 15-minute instead, because I'm waiting for the next 15-minute candle to open. We have, 5 minutes, 5 minutes and a half for the next 15-minute candle. It's retesting 2360. where we initially entered. Who's still in a trade? Let me know if you guys are still in a trade. Trust your trade. Trust your trade. Be patient. If you got stopped out, don't take it personal. It's just part of the game. It's a learning lesson. As long as you have a stop loss, you're still winning. Just know that because it's part of the trading plan. I'm waiting for the new hour, so I'm waiting for the next 5 minutes. That 5-minute candle, that's a good sign. So I'm just waiting for the next candle to open up bullish before I take it. Awesome. Too tough names. She just like that, CJ? Okay. 5, 27. Okay, that's good, Dad. That's a good entry. So you entered at 2360? Dad? What's your entry? ¿Cuál es tu entrada? Okay, muy bien. I'm waiting for, we have 3 minutes left until the hour. As soon as I see a bullish candle forming, I'm entering. So this is the potential re-entry here. Still waiting. Be patient, guys. Be patient. Awesome. The next 5-minute candle opens up bullish. You can enter. The reason why I'm looking for buys because I want to go with the trend. We're in buy mode. Remember, guys, the bigger picture, right? This is just a pullback, but you know, we're on an uptrend. We're on an uptrend, so I want to go with the trend. So that's why I'm taking buys because it broke above 2350, right? It broke above structure. Now I'm in buy mode. We just experienced a pullback. That's all it is. It's just a pullback. I do want to see a bullish candle forming. That's retesting 2360. and broke above, touched 1, 2. Give me at least 2 touches. A touch here, and it's touching here again. Broke above, retest. Okay, we just hit the hour. It's giving me a bullish candle. This is a potential reentry. Into the trade, guys. You guys could either enter or wait for the next 15-minute candle at the 15-minute mark. If this 15-minute candle closes bullish, that's a confirmation, or it could shoot up actually. It gave me that wick. I like that. There you go. Boom. Take it. Sniper. Who's in? Who's in? Let me know who's in. Let me know who's in. Let me know. Let me know who's in. That's a sniper move right there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure you have a stop loss at 23.55. Make sure you have a stop loss at 23.55, 50 pips. TP1, 23.65. TP2, 23.70. TP3, 23.75. Zone to zone. Key levels. Zone to zone. Zone to zone. We're in. We're in. We're 20 pips away from TP1. Make sure you have a stop loss. Please make sure you have a stop loss. Do not trade without a stop loss. If I catch you trading without a stop loss, you're not allowed in my calls anymore. I'm serious. Manage your trade. 23, 6, 2070. Trust your trade. That's a break and retest. Let's go. See, I'm just like modifying my position here. Just give me a moment, guys. 270. Um, we're about to smack TP1. 2070. Wait for do you think it's a good idea to X on 2370, wait for a pullback and re-enter to on the pullback? Yeah, you can use 2370 as your take profit. So yeah, you can X at 2370, right? You can wait, and then it could pull back down to 2365 and catch your re-entry. TP1 about to be smacked. Sheesh, it kissed it. Oh, it kissed it. Like it tried to like it kissed it. Yeah. Wow. Boom. Yeah, we still it's gonna hit TP1. It's teasing. Oh man, it is teasing. Let's keep our composure, poker face, okay? Um, don't be afraid of pullbacks, don't be afraid of drawdowns. That's just normal. That's what it does. Trust your trade. We're so bullish on the 15 minute. We're so bullish. I like to look at the 15-minute time frame because you can use that as a confirmation as well. The 15-minute candle is so bullish, right? Even though at the 5 minute you're seeing bearish, right? You're seeing a pullback, but overall, like I'm still bullish. Like I'm still holding this trade with you guys. It's gonna hit TP1 and TP2 and TP3. Right now, just being shy. It's just being shy right now. It just like it went like it tried kissing me, like we went halfway, but not fully. It's just being shy right now. But this is a break and retest, guys. Break above, retest. Thank you, Jamie, for hopping on. Have a blessed day. We have less than 10 seconds for the next 5-minute candle. That could potentially push price up. I do trade tomorrow. Yeah, we have news tomorrow, so I am going to be on tomorrow, Jamie. I trade on Friday sometimes. It depends on market conditions, but we do have a big news happening tomorrow, which is NFP. We have NFP happening tomorrow. Okay. So that's a big, big event. So we're gonna see more movement in the market. But yeah, I do trade on Fridays depending on news, but we do have a big event tomorrow. So there is gonna be movement happening. So we have back to back. Welcome, welcome. We have less than 4 minutes for the next 15-minute candle. That next 15-minute candle opens up bullish. It's gonna shoot up, bro. For sure. Don't be afraid of pullbacks. It's just part of the game. You're gonna see pullbacks. She's just being shy, that's all. Facts. Like like we went halfway right into the kiss, but we didn't kiss fully, you know? Like she's just being shy. Like look at this. Look at that. It barely touched 2365. Let's look at this closely. Look at that. Look at this wick right here. Barely touched it. But that next 15-minute candle though, that could potentially push price up. Um Still bullish on the 15-minute. We have a minute and a half to the next 15-minute candle. Hourly is still bullish. We have less than a minute for the next 15-minute candle. It's still above my 2260 area. That's a doji candle right there. That's like a doji. Boom. Let's see here. 1 minute. This gave me another touch at 2360. Yeah, we're not just teasing. One touch, two touch. Yeah, it's dancing around that area. This is where you remain like, just remain calm, you know? Have that poker face. Just gotta remain calm. Just gotta trust your trade. As long as you have a stop loss, like I said, you're still winning. Just gotta trust it. Don't be afraid of these wicks. I'm remaining calm, you know? Just trusting my trade. It's still playing in that area. No. Just take the fibs from. Oh yeah, it touched at 61.8. Wow. 61.8. That costs a retracement. That makes sense. Yeah, the when I took the fibs, you see how it touched the 61.8 and it came back down? That's the sweet spot right there. That caused a retracement. But I do see it. I still see it, going back to that level. And give me another touch there at 2360. I like the look of that 15-minute candle. Who's still in the trade? Let me know if you're still in it. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, just hold it. Be patient. About to puke. Remain your composure. Just remain calm. Have that poker face. As long as you have a stop loss, like I said, you're still winning. Yeah, right now it's just dancing around. That's what it does sometimes. It just dances with you. If it goes above, breaks above 2265, then that's a continuation. So you see something like this. Boom. That's a good 5-minute candle right there. Yeah, this is pushing up. I like the look of that 15-minute candle. And she will shoot. That's what it did yesterday, not facts. Yeah, it danced forever yesterday. Like yesterday, we're like so patient. Like it was right there, you know? But it's gonna push up. Like when it pushes, it pushes. You know, with gold, when it pushes, it pushes. Like, you know, it dances with you a little bit, and then, you know, when it hits like that 15-minute mark or that 30-minute mark, it just hits, you know? So we could see this 15-minute, yeah, this is pushing up. Um, yeah, this 15-minute count is gonna hit TP1. Yeah, seeing it, that's a good sign actually. Because this is like a doji right here. That's a good sign. Yeah. See, it's like a morning star, you know? Yeah, this is the morning star. This right here, this is a confirmation pattern. Shoot, let's see. This is a confirmation pattern. It's called a morning star. So whenever you see a bearish candle, and then it goes like, you know, you have this this you know, this middle candle, this bearish middle candle, right? When it looks like this, this is called a morning star. Whenever you have a bearish candle, and then you have a small bearish candle that wicks, and then you see a bullish candle, that's a morning star. Go ahead and get the book, the Candlestick Trading Bible, to learn more about the candles. But yeah, this is the morning star, so that's a good sign. So you see, it's pushing price up. It's about to smack TP1. Go down in profit. Yep. Let's go, CJ. Okay, okay. Have a blessed day. It's about to smack PT1, TP1. Just gonna push up. It's about to smack it. Now she's gonna kiss me. She's being shy with it. She's being shy. She's being shy. Because she knows she wants to kiss me. She knows she wants to kiss me. She knows she wants to kiss me. There you go. TP1 just hit. TP1 just hit. Move your stop loss to break even or take partials. TP1 just hit, guys. Who's in profits? Who's in profits? Let me know in the chat. Now it's to the moon. Who's in profits? Let me know. Drop some money bags in chat. You guys are in profits. Look at that, guys. She finally kissed me. TP1 just hit. Move your stop loss to break even. Now it's a risk-free trade. That's a total of 50 pips. I'm running all the way to 23.75. So at my TP2 at 23.70, TP3 at 23.75. Trust your trade. Trust your trade, fam. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, this is up from here. It's up from here because we have that morning star, baby. We have that morning star. See? We have that candlestick pattern. Sheesh. It's up from here. Make sure you guys manage your trade. We have also money here. So we could see it pushing up because we have money here. We have some cheaps. I'm gonna snipe these sheeps. Don't be a sheep, guys, okay? Don't be a sheep. Don't be a follower, be a leader. Observe the masses, do the opposite. Don't be a sheep. And it's pushing, it's pushing. It's pushing, fam. Drop some sheesh in the chat box. Drop some sheesh. I learned that the hard way about being a sheep. We were all sheeps at one point in our lives. We were all sheeps. Sheesh. What did I tell you? Trust your trade. Trust your trade, fam. Whenever you see a pullback, that's just a pullback. Don't be afraid of drawdowns. Don't be afraid of pullbacks. That's normal. It has to pull back before it goes up. Jesus, my shepherd. Amen. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the call. Okay. You guys got some value. Drop some fire emoji in the chat or some money bags if you're in profit. I appreciate you guys for hopping on. Make sure you guys manage your trade, manage your stop loss or trailing stop loss. Your voice pops in my head. Trust your trade because my heart be racing sometimes. Yeah. Trust your trade, sis. You already know the vibes. De nada, que tengan un buen día. Muchas gracias, familia. Okay. Just make sure you guys manage your trade. We're still looking good. The 15-minute, we still are bullish on the 15 minutes, so we're still good. All right, we're still bullish on this. It's going to shoot up to the moon. Make sure you guys take partials along the way. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Love y'all, fam. Let's run it up.